हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू प्रायश एजू। सो स्टूडेंट, आज हम सीखेंगे क्लास 5 ईवीएस पार्ट 1 में जो 22nd चैप्टर है ग्रोथ एंड पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, जिसमें आज हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर सीखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के हमारे इस वीडियो को। और फर्स्ट है यहाँ पे आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन वन सेंटेंस एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज मेंट बाय लर्निंग अ स्किल एंड द आंसर इज अचीविंग कंट्रोल ऑफ one's movement to learn to do something new is called a learning skill. Next question is what do small babies do when they need something? And the answer is small babies cannot do anything for themselves if they need something. They can only cry and beat about with their legs and arms. Next one is what is development, and the answer is every individual makes progress by keep learning new skills. This is called development. Next question is what is the difference between animals and humans in regard to learning new skills? And the answer is animals learn only a certain number of skills in their life. In comparison, human beings go on learning many more things throughout their life. Next question is what is heredity, and the answer is being born with certain features of or traits in common with the members of our family is heredity. Next question is can we ensure which traits we will inherit? And the answer is even though many of our traits are like those of our family members, no one has any control over which traits we will inherit and which we will not. Next question is what are the benefit of good diet, and the answer is food is necessary for growth. If a growing child does not get the various food constituents in adequate proportions, it will lead to malnutrition affecting the growth of that child. Next question is what is the role of exercise in growth, and the answer is along with malnutrition food, adequate exercise is also necessary for growth and development. Lack of exercise also affects growth adversely. Next question is what are the factors that affect our personality? And the answer is our personality develops through our interest and efforts, what we like to do and what we practice every day. नेक्स्ट है यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज हाउ स्मॉल बेबीज इंक्रीज देयर एफिशिएंसी एंड द आंसर इज एज अ बेबी लर्न्स वेरियस स्किल्स द बेबी एंड एवरीबडी इज हैप्पी. They praise the baby. The baby does the same thing again and again. Thus, she gets a lot of practice with those skills and her strength also builds up. Slowly, she begins to do the newly learned task more easily and without making mistake. That is, her efficiency increases. Next question is describe the importance of good diet, and the answer is food is necessary for growth. However, in certain circumstances, a growing child does not get the various food constituents in adequate proportions. This leads to malnutrition affecting the growth of that child. For example, a person does not grow as tall as they would have been. Even if such a person gets a good diet later on, it is of no use for the growth of the body. Next question is describe in brief heredity. And the answer is our looks, our build and other physical characteristics are like those of our parents. People of one family show similarities in many ways. Some of our features or traits are like those of our grandparents or our parents' siblings. That is why sometimes people who know them recognize us even if they have never met us before. Being born with certain features or traits in common with the members of our family is heredity. These are our inherited traits. However, even though many of our traits are like those of our family members, no one has any control over which traits we will inherit and which we will not. Next question is what is the need to learn new skills, and the answer is some of the early skills like walking and running come with age without having to be taught. However, we have to be taught many of the skills we learn later. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers and other adults. The greater the number of skills we learn, the less is our dependence on others. Even so, it is not as if we do every one of our tasks ourselves. For example, not all people stitch their own clothes, nor does everyone grow their own food. But we must all learn to take the responsibility for doing our personal task ourselves.